Hey, welcome back everybody. This is Brian from T-Sportline coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters. In my last video, I was showing off these brand new 20-inch TXL 115 fully forged wheels on the Tesla Model S. And I mentioned my car, which is right here. This is a Model S Plaid, and I am rocking the 21-inch wheels. This is the TSWA 115 aerodynamic, super flush, super wide wheel. So check it out. You've got the comparison. This is a factory ride height in low mode. This is my car with the T-Sportline lowering links in low mode. You can see it's a lower fitment, and you can see the difference between the gaps here and here. And then you can tell that this wheel is almost flush, where this wheel is perfectly flush. The tire actually sits out a skosh from the Fender. Super aggressive look with the super wide wheel. A more sporty look, not quite as aggressive, but which one do you like better? The 20-inch or the 21-inch super wide wheel? I'm curious. Let me know, drop a comment below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We got a lot more Model S content coming your way.